Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. I want to show you what we got here. We got this printer. This is HP OfficeJet Pro 8022A. This printer is a multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 4-in-1 if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan, print and fax with this printer. This printer is using ink cartridges 912 or 912 extra. In terms of the paper tray, okay, you can use various sizes of paper, and the paper tray can also have up to 225 paper input, okay, and up to 60. This printer, you can also, in terms of the printing speed, is 20 print for black and white and 10 print for colored, okay. And this printer, you can connect it to Wi-Fi network, and also it's compatible with Apple AirPrint. You can also use this with PC or laptop, okay, but you need to connect this printer using HP Smart app. This printer is very smart, business productive gear. So what we're going to do is basically unbox this stuff, check it out, see what is inside. So we're just gonna open this up. Okay, and what is in here is the information pack. So this is HP OfficeJet Pro 8020 series. So this is 8020 series, but this printer is 8022 to be precise. Okay. And here is the ink cartridges 912. So this is the ink that came with it, 912. You can also use 912 extra. Okay. Now we're going to bring out this here. Okay, here is the power cable. Okay, so this power cable is for UK use or European use. For the US, you will see usually got 2 pin. Okay, for US, pretty much that's the difference really. But this, in terms of the features and this printer, and that pretty much the same thing. Okay, so this what is in here is also what you're going to see if you live in US. Okay, we do have printers from US to review. Okay, so the difference is just like I mentioned, is just the power cable. Okay, whereby US have got 2 pin, UK here we use 3 pin. Okay, and some European countries we use 3 pin. Okay, so this is what we have here, and it's nice and beautiful. Okay, I like the color, a bit of white and ash. There we go. Now, okay, so now you can see what this gear looks like. It's not heavy. Okay, I must say this printer is not heavy. Okay, and just gonna get the measurement for you to see. Okay, now we want to measure this printer. Okay, from here, from this end. Okay, if you want to know from here, okay, to this end is 48. Okay, this is 47 centimeter. Okay, 47 centimeter. Now from the bottom here, okay, here, okay, to the top is 24 centimeter. 24. Okay, so now I want to show you some features. Okay, so this is the, just gonna remove the packaging here so that we can see what we are doing. Okay, so this is the automatic document feeder, ADF. Okay, this is ADF, automatic document feeder. Open up this printer. This is the scanner. This is the flat bell scanner. Okay, so here is the scanner, and this is LCD screen. So just this screen, you can push it up to stand up this way. This printer, you see this printer on and off from here. Okay, so this is the on and off button. And if you open up this printer, lift it up, the ink cartridges holder is here, the corner. okay, but you need to plug this printer on, then it will move from the corner here to the center. If you have any paper jam, this is where to check for any paper jam and debris. I do receive question about paper jam, so open up, bring out this cover, okay. This is where the paper jam, sometimes we do have paper jam issue from here, okay. If you can't find anything, just make sure you close it, close the printer down, okay, close it and lift it up this way, okay. Once you lift it up this way, then you bring out the paper tray this way, okay. Once you bring the paper tray out this, then you can check paper jam here as well. So these are two sections you need to check for any paper jam, okay. So this is the paper tray. You can see this is the paper tray. You press this down to bring it out, and here is the paper. So you can load up to 225 sheets of paper here, okay. If you want to extend this, sometimes I do get question about extending this, okay. If you want to extend it, then you need to press this down, press it down here for you to extend it to particular, okay. Press it down to adjust it to particular paper you want, okay. And make sure if you want to extend it again, push, also hold here, okay, to extend it, okay. So this is the question. I do get question about this. So once you need to, you can see there is arrow here. You just need to press this down, okay, and bring it inside. But also make sure if you want it to go inside completely, then press down here, okay, then it will go in completely, okay, so that when you put your printer, it go in completely. But if you extend it, then it will, you can see it's out, okay. Then you can cover this up depending on paper you are using. Depending on paper you are using, okay, you can see it's in, okay. Now what we want to do is to switch this printer on, okay, to the power socket, okay. So this the other thing I want to mention is this printer, unfortunately it doesn't come with the USB cable, okay. If you are wondering, you can connect this printer. They expect you to connect this printer, okay, via Wi-Fi network. But if you haven't got Wi-Fi network at your home, you can also need to make sure if you can connect this printer via Wi-Fi direct as well, okay. So via Wi-Fi direct and using your mobile phone, okay, without internet. But also the other thing you cannot do, you can also connect this printer using USB cable. Okay, the USB cable goes here. Okay, you can see the USB cable. So it's cancelled. They expect you to connect it via Wi-Fi. But if you haven't got Wi-Fi, then you can connect it via Wi-Fi direct. Or I got USB cable at home. Okay, so just to show you what the USB cable looks like. This is the USB cable. What it looks like. We have this at Vinetech store, free delivery here in UK. Basically, you stick this end, okay, to this printer inside, and this flat end goes to your PC. Then you download the software. In this case, go to your Play Store, download HP Smart App to use this printer, okay. So this is how this printer works, okay. So this is the unboxing and overview of this printer, okay. So to set this printer up, we just need to plug the power cable to the socket, okay. Once you plug it into the socket, the next you need to do is you need to switch this printer on, okay. So switch it on from here. You can see the light is coming on, okay. So basically this is the overview of this printer. This is HP OfficeJet Pro 8022.